Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, the Bluetooth version. We got one right here. We are ready for the unboxing and totally excited.
We have the 44mm black aqua aluminium casing and the silicon strap.
We've chosen the aluminium on purpose because we're going to get the LTE version as well, but that one is going to be stainless steel and black and has that nice leather strap. If you're new to our channel, we do awesome tech reviews and more, but mainly awesome tech reviews. Let's get into the unboxing.
The watch comes in a neat little box.
Yeah, here is the seal of approval. Can you see the seal of approval? So we haven't broken it. We're gonna break the seal of approval right now with this amazing knife.
What's your knife called?
The knife is called Wolfgang. Wolfgang's. I don't know if that's from the restaurant in LA, but the knife is called Wolfgang's and we're gonna use that one. Looks pretty neat.
So satisfying.
So satisfying. So satisfying. Here's another seal of approval. There you go. Wolfgang's done a good job.
Thank you, Wolfgang.
Let's see what it says. It says basically what comes in the box. On the back, it says the some kind of heart monitor and so on. That is 44mm. That it is Aqua Black and it comes in aluminium. Let's just open that. And voila. Very simple, I have to say, but this is the aluminium version. So this is what it looks like. This is the top and this is the bottom. The watch is right in here and we have some paperwork in here. So let's see what the paperwork says. Maybe that's for you. We have a quick start guide, a warranty card, and one in German and one in English, a quick start guide and a warranty card. So this is basically very neat, very brief, very short. As a matter of fact, that's all you need really these days.
Yeah.
You don't need more than just quick start guide. You're gonna connect this to your phone anyway and gonna be guided via the Galaxy app.
And incidentally, if you buy the leather strap, the box that you actually get is the longer version.
Yeah, so because you have that leather strap, you have a longer box version and that is kind of makes a difference. Ours is the silicon one, and again, we've chosen that one because we have the stainless steel coming in the LTE version. Let's get to the watch itself. Let me put this in the middle so you guys can see that. And voila, I have chosen the 44mm. So this is what it looks like. Pretty black, I would say.
Very, very black.
But sleek. And here, in that little middle bit, as you can see, I'll turn it around. There is the charger. Oh, quite neat, right? Quite neat.
Very neat.
It's nicely done. You have the little charger here, your USB plug, you put the watch on there to charge it. And why don't we try that? I need a dongle for my MacBook, so that won't work right now. Why don't I put it on to see what it looks like on my wrist? Because my arms are, I would say, not big, but I like bigger watches, right? So that's why I've chosen the 44. And it feels really nice and light already. It feels like you can't, well, kind of you can't feel it on your hand. Let me just show you here.
It looks kind of sleek.
It does look sleek. And I used to like watches that are really heavy, but I come to a point in life where I appreciate watches when you can't feel them, right? This is really nice and soft and it feels really nice. I have the bigger version, I have a big arm, but the 40mm would look really small, wouldn't it? We have the watch on Tony, and Tony has a, I would say, standard arm. Fair to say. So that's what it looks like. It's a 44mm, but that's what it looks like on a woman's arm. So why don't we turn the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 on to see what the display says, what it says when we turn it on, right? So off you go. And Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And it is in German because we bought it in Germany. It says Los geht's.
Let's go.
Let's go. This is basically what the watch looks like when it comes out of the box.
So how much does this come in at?
That comes in at 313 euros. And the LTE version is 455, I believe. So there's a bit of a difference, and the stainless steel version is 100 euros more than that, so that comes in at 419.
Do they automatically come with a different band?
You can choose different bands. You can choose like this, a pink one, a gold one, and a light blue grayish, I believe. So we have the Wi-Fi version and GPS built in. Bluetooth version number 5, and in terms of speed, I think it's got like a 1.15 gigahertz CPU dual core speed. That sounds all great. It has got a super AMOLED screen. Samsung is known for their super screens, right?
Make sure if you've got any questions, put them in the comments below before we do our next video tomorrow so that we can answer all of them for you.
That's right. Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Card Geek.
Thank you for watching.